Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Rockline spare tire relocation bracket from Rhino for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now this spare tire relocation bracket utilizes all the factory mounting holes in your tailgate, so you're not modifying your factory tailgate in any way, and it has been designed to accommodate the factory spare tire bracket by simply relocating it out and up away from your tailgate. So it moves the bracket 3 inches farther away from the tailgate and then 2 inches higher to accommodate up to a 40-inch spare tire on the tailgate of your Wrangler. Now they've even incorporated some additional mounting points on the bracket so you can add additional accessories. And there is a tab up top here that's a great place to mount additional CB antennas, trail flags, or maybe even light sticks if you like. And there is some fine-tune adjustment built into the bracket here that really allows you to customize the exact location of your third brake light for different size spare tires. The entire bracket has been fully welded, it's zinc coated, and then it's been finished off in Rhino's signature textured black powder coat finish. If you guys want to get more information or purchase the Rhino Rockline spare tire relocation bracket for your Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the bracket, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.